a great choice today with the 2011 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power windows, passenger airbag on/off switch, child safety locks, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, rear head airbag. Come see the car for yourself.